6 over 8 into its simplest form. Here, to simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the highest common factor. Look, 1 times 6 equal to 6, 2 times 3 equal to 6. So 2, 3, 1, 6 are the factors of 6. 1 times 8 equal to 8, 2 times 4 equal to 8. So 1, 8, 2, 4 are the factors of 8. Yeah, highest common factor equal to what? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. The highest common factor between these two numbers is 2. So divide this 6 by 2 and 8 by 2. We are getting what? We are getting 6 times 6 divided by 2, 3, and 8 divided by 2, 4. Now look, this 3 is a prime number. So the common factor between 3 and 4 be- is between 3 and 4 is 1. So if you divide this 3 by 1 and 4 by 1, you will get the same thing. So this is the simplest form or lowest term.